Hi friends, today's video is very special for us as this will give you the latest update of our channel. From now on, this channel will be known as Mathstoon instead of Maths Tutorial. We will post basic maths as well as advanced maths in this channel. But our primary focus is to cover the basic maths like factorization, simplifying surds, conversion of units, profit and loss, interest, LCM, GCF, and so on. Our next step will be to move on to the advanced maths. For example, single variable calculus, multivariable calculus, linear algebra, abstract algebra, geometry, real analysis, complex analysis, ODE, PDE, Laplace transforms, and many more. Please motivate us by subscribing our channel. In return, we assure you that you will get top-rated maths in simple forms in this channel. Many thanks for your love and support. Love from Mathstoon.